Alright, so today I'm going to finish the mirror heater system. This is I finally got the package in. Alright, so got some wiring. And these are the heating pads. Got a fuse and the round switch. Alright, so these are the heating pads here. Flip them around. You can see that this is all really small pieces of metal. This all heats up, and you get your two tabs right there. That's what your wiring is gonna hook into. So I'm gonna see if I can get these installed on my mirror here. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm going to hook this thing up. And then I'm gonna plug it into my charger, which is this thing. Because essentially what I want to do is plug this thing in. I want to make sure that it works and that it gets warm. So let's plug it up and see what kind of action we get. Oh, it does get warm. Where's my okay, so my hand is 89 degrees, and this, I can actually feel the warmth, is 112, 16, 15. Yeah, so it's actually getting quite warm. Wow, it feels quite warm. Wow. Alright, so I'm going to first clean off this mirror with some chemicals and get that clean. I'm cleaning it with lacquer thinner, which I have found to be very efficient in cleaning things. The biggest thing is to get this thing as oil and residue free as possible, so that the stickiness of that will stick to this glass. See, that's the lower right hand corner. You know what? I'm gonna go outside and make absolutely certain that's correct. Yes, that is correct. Alright, so I'm gonna have to trim this. Who would have thought I'd want scissors for Christmas, but they're actually really coming in handy. So I should mark this first, center it as well as I can. Okay. That looks pretty good. It's almost like putting a screen protector on your phone, the way you have to smooth all of this out. Alright, so it's just the slightest bubble right here, but that's the only bubble I can see. The rest of it's nice and smooth. So that's all set. Now I just gotta go get my mirror and then stick this to it. So before I put the mirror on, I have to run this wiring through everything. So I'm gonna have to drill a hole up in here someplace so that it can go in kind of like on an angle or whatever. And see if I can't get that to feed into the back of this. So when I put the mirror on, I've got these two tabs right here. Sorry about that. So essentially you're gonna put it on like this, and you're gonna drill out where those two tabs are gonna sit. So shouldn't be too difficult. We'll see how it goes. Sweet. I was actually able to pop it off. Wasn't expecting that. I'll just make sure that I grease this back up so it's easy to pop in and out. And that should be, man, that's gonna make it a lot easier to get the wire down in there and stuff. Now that this is off, I didn't know I could actually get that thing off of there. But now I do. Alrighty, so I've got this finally finished. That is the finished project there. I actually took the time to install the first one. So it just slips down in here, goes up that little hole. Push this upward a little bit. And then you can see the inside of it there. You can see where it plugs in right there. Comes out the bottom. So I'll run out and show you what the other one looks like installed. Okay, so here it is installed. Everything looks completely normal now. I don't know if you can see inside of there. You can see where it comes in. And that's my speaker wire right there, so that's where I routed the wire through that little crimped hose there, then ran it through all of here, popped it out here, and I also installed my switch. And this little light here will actually illuminate when it's on, once I get it all plugged in, which I'm pretty excited about. I like that kind of stuff. So now I've just got to get the other one installed, but I'll do that a different day. There you go, guys. Heated mirrors, that cost me 12 bucks on eBay, and the installation was pretty simple, and I will never have to scrape my mirrors again. I'm super psyched about that.